We will follow the necessary steps to provoke a conflict, and then resolve this conflict when working with branches. In my terminal, I'm currently in the test repository. So here, if I run a git status command, I'm on the master branch and I have nothing to commit, as I'm on a clean working directory. I take a look at our file called hello on the master branch by typing code hello.html. So we have our updates that have been integrated from our previous example. We can close the page. Let's create our branch on which we are going to work. We type git checkout -b Jordan test. Now you can see that we are no longer on the master. Let's run a git branch command. So we type git branch -a. This command shows us all branches. We see that we have the master branch and the Jordan test branch. At this moment, the Jordan test branch is our current branch. We are going to modify our file called hello. We are going to do it in such a way as to create a conflict, which means updating the same part of the file on both branches. So I change this line to "This is a conflict." We save and close. We type git commit -am followed by the message that will be run update. I will use the technique of fast commit by saying that this is a run update. We type git haste and we have our commit at the top, which is the last commit. We will go back to the master by doing git checkout master. We will go back to the master by merging these changes. I will pretend to be a developer, or maybe I will just forget about these changes that I made on the Jordan test branch. We will type code hello.html. We will just replace this by this phrase, "This is a possible conflict." We save and we close. Back to the terminal, we will do again a fast commit. So we type git commit -am and our message, which is run update again. Now we will do a merge of our Jordan test branch. In the master branch, we will type git branch -a and we type git merge Jordan -test, and as expected, the automatic merge did not resolve the conflict. The automatic merge is very good, but it's not perfect. It doesn't know which file version we want. This places us in the merge state that is indicated by our command prompt with the name of the branch on one side and merging. The file hello.html is a file involved in the conflict. If we open the file and display it, it only shows the entire content of the file. The current version contains these signs that indicate the parts of the file in conflict. And you can see that head is opposed to Jordan test. Since this is a simple case, we can modify this file manually. We have a merge tool configured with Git, so let's use it. In this merge state, just type git merge tool like this, and before merge starts with a 3-step merge. And we can see that we have different versions of our file, and the possible solution is on the bottom. Any of these solutions are possible to be incorporated. Saying that I want this one, once I have finished, I have to click on the button Save to validate the modifications made to the file hello. Now, once I have finished this, I no longer have conflicts. I can exit pForMerge by clicking on the button Save. If there are no more files with the merge conflict, you can go back simply to the command prompt. To finish the merge, we need to commit what we have saved. So we type git commit -m and our message, which is a resolved conflict. If this resolves the conflict, you will be sent to the command prompt that seems normal. In this case, we go back simply to the name of our branch, just here. If we execute a git status command, we can see that we have an untracked file called .org. And this file called .org is the original version of the file hello. I don't like the .org files lying around in my repository. I could accidentally add my repository. Let's add this to our git ignore. So we type code.gitignore. Just here at the bottom, we will add *org to refer to all org files. Save and close. Now we will execute a git status command. Let's make our fast commit. So we type git commit -am update ignore. Then we do ls. We still have the file .org. So I will remove it by doing rm and the name of our file, which is hello.html.org. And we have finished.